Okay, let's look at equivalent fraction. Actually, equivalent fraction represents the same value as another fraction, but with different numerators and denominators. Just like we have here, 2 all over 5 is equivalent to 4 all over 10, and 6 all over 14 is equivalent to 3 all over 7. This equivalent fraction, it is normally gotten by dividing or multiplying both the numerator and the denominator with the same number. Okay, just like here, if I want to get 4 all over 10 from this fraction, what I will do is I will multiply here by 2. The same 2 is what I will multiply here, so that 2 times 2 will give me 4, and 5 times 2 will give me 10. Okay, the same thing is applicable here, but in this side, what I will do here is division, because this number here is smaller than this one, and this one also is smaller than this one. So what I will do here is division. So I will divide 6 by 2 to get 3. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. I will equally divide 14 by 2 so that I will get 7. Okay, so that is how to find equivalent fraction. We have example here. Fill in the missing numbers to form equivalent fraction. Okay, so we are going to fill all this box. Now, how do I fill this box? I will first of all start with this one that has the numerator and denominator. So this is where I will start from. Then I will ask myself, 2 divided by what will give me 24? Or 2 multiplied by what will give me 24? In this case, it will be multiplication, because I cannot divide 2 by anything to give me 24. So I will instead multiply here. So if I multiply 2 by 12, I will get 24. This 12, I will equally use it and multiply the denominator. So I will now say 3 times 12. So that 3 times 12 will give me 36. So here will be 36. Okay, let's come to this side. Over here, it is the denominator that is given. So because of that, I will start from the denominator side. Then I will come to this 3. I will ask myself, 3 times what will give me 9? Now, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. This same 3, I will use it and multiply the numerator above here, so that 2 times 3 will give me 6. So here will be 6. Okay, let me come to this side. Here, it is the numerator that is given here. So I will come to the numerator here and ask myself, 2 times what will give me 10? Now, 2 times 5 is 10. I will use the same 5 and multiply the denominator of this fraction, so that 3 times 5 will give 15. Now let's come to this side. Now over here, it is 8 all over 12 that is complete. So I will start everything from here. Now, if I want to find this numerator, I will ask myself here, 12 times what will give me 900? Or 12 divided by what will give me 900? In the first place, I cannot divide 12 by any number to give me 900. And also, I cannot multiply 12 by any number to give me 900. So, I will leave this fraction for now. Then, I will come to this one. Now, over here, it is the numerator that is given. So, I will start from the numerator. I will ask myself, 8 times what will give me 10? Or 8 divided by what will give me 10? Now, I cannot divide 8 by any number to get 10. Also, I cannot multiply 8 by any number to get 10. So I will leave here. Then I will come to this side. Now, in this fraction, it is the denominator that is given. So I will start from the denominator. I will ask myself, 12 divided by what will give me 6? Or 12 multiplied by what will give me 6? Now, it is 12 divided by 2 that will give me 6. So 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. The same 2 here, I will use it and divide here, so that 8 divided by 2 will give me 4. So here is 4. Now let me come over this side. For me to find here, I can start from here. Since this fraction is now complete, I will ask myself, 4 times what will give me 20? Or 4 divided by what will give me 20? Now, 4 times 5 is 20. Then the same 5, I will use it and multiply the denominator so that I will get 30 here. Okay? Now, from here I can get 900. I can get 900 from 30. So that if I say 30 times 30 will give me 900. Then also, I will use that 30 and multiply the numerator so that I will have 600 here. Okay? Now it's remaining 10 all over something here. So how do I get this denominator? How do I get the denominator? I will come to 20, because I can divide 20 by something to get 10. So if I come to 20, then I will say 20 divided by 2 will give me 10. Also, I can now come over here and say 30 divided by 2 will now give me 15. So that is how you find equivalent fraction. Now we have another example here. Which of the following fractions are equivalent to 3 all over 5? Now, for us to find the fractions here that are equivalent to 3 all over 5, what we will do is we will start from the numerator. So I will come over here, I will ask myself, which of these numerator is a multiple of 3? Now, 10 is not a multiple of 3. I will remove it. Now, 30 is a multiple of 3, so I will take it. 12 is a multiple of 3. I will take it. 205 is not a multiple of 3, so I will not take it. 32 is not a multiple of 3. I will not take it. Then 15 is a multiple of 3, so I will take it. Then after finding the multiple of 3, then I will come back again and ask myself, 3 times what will give me 30? Then 3 times 10 is 30. Then that 10, I will use it and multiply the denominator to see if I will get the same number that is here. So 5 times 10 is 50. So this one is going. So 30 all over 50 is equivalent to 3 all over 5. Now let's come to this one. 3 times what will give me 12? Now 3 times 4 will give me 12. Okay, I will use this 4 and multiply the denominator to see if I will get 30. Now 5 times 4 is 20. So since it is not 30, that means this is wrong. Okay, over here we have 15 as the numerator. So let's check 3 times what will give us 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Then that same 5, let's use it and multiply the denominator, which is 5. So now we say 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, so this one is also going. So that means that the fractions here that are equivalent to this is 30 all over 50 and 15 all over 25. Let's see how we can solve this one. Here I will just put y here. So I want to call the denominator that's supposed to be here y. Okay, so let me cross multiply. Then I will have 52 times 2 is equal to 4 times y. Okay, let me exchange this so that I will have 4 times y is equal to 52 times 2. Now, since I am looking for y, I will divide both sides by 4 so that I can remove this 4 so that only y can stay here. So let me cancel 4 and I will have y is equal to 4 here is 1, 4 here is 13, 13 times 2 is 26. Let's come over this side. Let me call here x. Okay, before then, let me put in the value of this box here. So this is 26. Okay, let's continue. So this is, I will have x times 3 will now give me 3 times x is equal to 2 times 12. 2 times 12. Now, since I'm looking for x, I will divide both sides by 3. Okay, so I will always divide by the coefficient of the variable that I am looking for. Okay, so let me cancel here, cancel. I will have only x is equal to 3 here is 1, 3 here is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So here is 8. Let's come over this side. Let me call here q, so that q times 6 is what I will have here, is equal to 4 times 12. Okay, let me divide both sides by 6. I have only q here. Then 6 here is 1, 6 here is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. So that here will be 8. Let's come to this one. So let me call here z, so that z, I will cross multiply z times 72. 72 times z is equal to 60 times 6. 60 times 6 Now, since I am looking for Z, I will divide both sides by what? Fine, that's correct, 72. 72, okay? So that 72 here, 72 here, I will have only Z here is equal to, then here I cannot actually divide 72 at the same time, so I will take it bit by bit. Let me go with 12 first. So 12 in 72 is 6. Then 12 in 60 is 5. Then 6 here is 1. 6 here is 1. So that 1 times 5 is 5. Okay. So here, the value here is 5. Okay. Now, I would like you to try this. This is your TYA. Fill in the missing numbers to form equivalent fraction. So you have to fill in all these boxes. Okay. Thank you.